How are you? Make sure you leave in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. It's always doing great when I have unboxings to do. Let me know what you think of my new intro. Do you like it? Do you not? I'm not sure which one I put in because I don't know until I do the editing. I have a longer version, which is 5 seconds. Then I have a shorter one, it's 9 seconds. So whatever one I put up, comment down below what you think of it. But yeah, let me tell you what we are going to be unboxing for today. This is the July 2019 Bombay and Cedar. Now this, you could get two sizes. You can get the mini, which I believe is $24.95, or the premium, which this is what this is, which is $49.95. And this is like a lifestyle box, and I really, really love this box. I really do. So let's just see what is in the July 2019 Bombay and Cedar. All right, this just came in the mail like not too long ago. This always for me comes like one of the last days of the month. That's why I always unbox it late. But let's just see what is in this box. All right, so that's what it looks like. And I'm noticing that they did change it up. So you have these, not like the squigglies. All right, so it always comes with this brochure, which tells you what everything is. And what I like about it, tells you everything that you would get in the regular, and then what extra you get if you pay for the premium. So I like that. All right, let's move this stuff. Put it on the floor. All right, the first thing I can't help but see is this thing. This brush is huge. Isn't that big? Every time I say big now. All right, my mind goes to the gutter. Okay, so you would only get this if you get the premium box. And this is $17. This is a bamboo hairbrush by Be Kind. All right, so it's, you know, a hairbrush. Supposed to help you condition your hair. If you have curly hair, you can't. Unless it's really, really wet or it would frizz out. But this is nice. I give these to my daughter. She has really curly hair, but she likes brushes like that. All right, the next thing is this shower spray right there. And again, this would be in the premium box. This is $8. It says create a steam room effect in the privacy of your own shower with this essential oil shower spray. You can benefit for multi-face properties while enjoying fresh floral herbal extracts. All right, how do you open it? Okay, no? What in the world? Okay, let's spray. What? Oh, I don't like that smell, but I don't know if it's leaking or what. It's not all the way filled. It's down to here, but I don't like the way that's spraying. I don't know. I do not like that smell, but I'll have to read up on that a little bit more. I don't know. Could have been something that I did. All right, let's move on. The next thing we got is, what is this? This is a mask right there. All right, so this would be in both boxes, and this is $22. Holy crap. This says this natural fatty acids and antioxidant found in hemp seed oil make it good choice if you suffer from dry or sensitive skin. Do you hear that noise? We have a basketball court, and a lot of times a lot of the neighbor kids come over and play with in the basketball court. And holy crap. Anyhow, so this is $22. I'll make this quick. Then we have Pearly Wipes right there. All right. So this you get in both boxes. This is $10.95. It says clean and whiten your teeth on the go with these convenient natural teeth wipes that removes residue and staining from coffee, tea, lip stains, wine, and more. All right, I've never heard of them, but how many do you get in there? Oh, what is this? Okay, so it comes like that, and I guess the stuff's inside. All right, I'm not gonna open that. All right, the next thing is we always get some kind of snack, and this is from Stretch Island. This is in strawberry. It says fruit leather. I'll give this to my son. And I don't think, does it? Yeah, this would be 79 cents, and you would get both in both boxes. And we have this thing. What is this thing? This thing is heavy. Is it a candle? I think it's a candle. Yeah. Oh, that smells good. So it looks like that. Oh, that smells really good. So this would be in the premium box, and this is $18. It's Craft Textured Candle by Magnolia Home. That smells so good. I like that a lot. All right, the next thing is mints. Y'all know what mints are. And where are you? Is it in here? So this would be $3.50, and you would get it in both boxes. Then these are the essential oils. You always get essential oils. They are in both boxes. And I definitely like that. So you always get two. So this is in lime and in peppermint. So you would use lime. So both of these are $14 a piece. Okay, so the lime essential oil is due to all the properties of this oil is beneficial to treating infections, increasing appetite, promoting emotional balance, and reducing fever and more. And that's good because I've showed you another video. This definitely got infected. I say in a lot of videos I am diabetic and I don't heal very good. So this was like an open wound for over a week before it starts scabbing up. I just don't heal well, and I get a lot of infections a lot. And I've seen people comment when I said before, I definitely take care of it. I put vitamin E oil, I do things, it just gets infected, you know? So I don't know. Sorry, somebody's walking in. All right, so the next thing, please shut the door. The next thing is this peppermint oil. And like I said, that is $14, and it says one of the most widely used and versatile essential oils there is. It can be used to soothe nausea, clear congestion, boost energy levels, and much more. So that's good. I like both of these, so I am so glad that I got these. All right. And there's two more things. So then we have this. I don't know what that is. That is... She creates journals. So it says this is $16.95. It says here is a place just for her to dream and discover something new. Here she has a space to explore and moments of inspiration to encourage her. So is that what that? No, that's what this is. This is the journal. I was like, what in the world? All right, so it's just a journal here, and it's just blank pages. And this right here is a scarf. I'm not going to open this because I'll probably give that away. The scarf will be in the premium box. The journal would be in both boxes. And the scarf is $20 right there. All right, so that's everything in our Bombay Cedar. So this is $49.95. Do you think that this box is worth $50? I do. I think you get the value. You definitely get the value every month. With it. It's up to you whether you like. This is definitely a lifestyle box, but the essential oils are $28 right there. They're both $14 a piece. This smells so good. I know the mask was $22. I don't know. Let me know what you think of this box. This I have to play around with. I don't really care for the scent, but it's still leaking. I have to see what's going on. Maybe the top isn't on good. I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this subscription? Do you not? Let me know. Do you think it's worth it? I did like it. I really do. I definitely like it. I've had other boxes that I liked better, let's be honest, but I do really like this subscription box a lot. And if you are wondering what is on my eyes, I will show you real quick. I just got this in the mail from Makeup Revolution. This is the Chili palette. And oh my God, it's so beautiful. I always have a hard time opening this. All right, so it comes with a full-length mirror, but look at these colors, guys. Beautiful. So I got this. This is, like I said, I have on my eyes today, but then I ordered the pizza palette and the avocado palette. So let me show you the pizza palette. These are very hard to open. This is the pizza palette right there. And this is probably my favorite. I haven't tried it yet or swatched it, but look at the colors. That is gorgeous. And these are only $15 a piece. I really like them. All right, guys, that's everything. Make sure that you rate this video. So like the video or dislike it. Just do one or the other because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and have that post notification bell on so that you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.